everyone, this is Mrs. B, and I am going to be teaching you simple steps in learning how to read. The guide I will be using is Becca's Basic Phonics program. As we go through the reading process, it is very important that we become familiar with the sounds of the alphabet letters. First, let us learn the short sounds of the vowel letters. I will say each sound 3 times. A, A, A. E, E, E. I, I, I. A, A, A. O, O, O. Now it's your turn to say the sounds. You have been doing so well. In our next lesson, we will learn the sounds of the consonant letters. See you next time.